Alright, another consolation for our volleyball men. We have... Please claim your prize. For our Cluster 5, coordinated by Ms. Renalyn May Shanko and Mr. Darwin Casper.
Any representative coming from Cluster 5, please claim your prize. Karon din sa ato ang stage.
Alright, another Cluster 1.
Cluster 1 is Bagumbayan, Nazareth, San Antonio, Marabong, Mangayahay, and Bibo.
Yes, our Cluster 1 coordinated by Sir Joseph Chai Zamis, Miss Dorny Empenado, and Mr.